A question that Volt has been getting a lot is, can I use beard oil on my skin? And I'm gonna break it down in two different ways, but the answer is yes, absolutely you can, and you should be using this beard oil on your skin, you guys. My name is Dancy Bearded. I am coming to you today from the Volt Life-Proof Grooming's multitude of social media platforms, likely Instagram, likely YouTube. If you guys could, do all this stuff. Whether it's a like, a comment, a share, anything that you can do supports this company for free, as they're giving you guys great products, as they are being eco-friendly and making sure they're taking care of the planet and giving you free content just like this. Do your thing, you guys. They appreciate it. So, beard oil. Yes, let's talk about the beard and then the rest of your skin. Beard oil should be used primarily and first on the skin underneath your beard and then throughout the beard. I don't like when people say it's only for the skin underneath your beard or it's only for your beard, the hair. No. It's both. Skin first, right? We gotta have healthy soil to have healthy crops. So all down into the skin, massage it, spread it out evenly with a brush or a comb, and then go throughout the hairs. Check. I think most of us knew that, but maybe you're new to bearding and that was helpful. Now the second thing is, what about the rest of my body, right? I use this cheap lotion, don't like it. I've used this, don't like it. Can I just use beard oil? Yes, absolutely. I personally despise lotion. I personally despise anything else on my skin. I get dry. I live in Michigan. We are coming out of a dry Michigan winter. I lather this oil all over. I really do, especially on my sides and especially on my legs. It is absolutely fantastic. I don't use a moisturizer on my face. I use beard oil. A little bit, you don't want to use too much, right? Too much of a good thing can be bad. You can clog pores, you can slow hair growth, all those different things. Use enough where it's gonna absorb in, not leave you feeling greasy or oily, and just feel like, let's say you get the oil on after your night shower. You wake up in the morning, just feel your skin and how nourished it is, how happy it is. So I'm so glad that Volt was like, man, damn, we keep getting asked this question, can we use oil on our skin? Yes, please do. Whatever platform you're on right now, if you've used beard oil on your skin, drop a comment and let us know what your experience was. Volt wants to hear this feedback, and it can be really beneficial to people that were wondering this question before watching. So thank you guys for checking this out today. I do encourage you to check out everything that Volt has going on, from their website to their content to their products. Genuinely a recommendation with good people behind the scenes. Thank you one more time. Please have an amazing day.